Alright, so let's get it right. Why are we going to Perth?
To see Coldplay.
That's a long way to go for a concert. Very, very exciting. So daddy and daughter time, really, really cool. This is actually our chariot. This is our chariot of fire that's going to carry us across the Nullarbor Plain and to Perth.
Is it going to go green?
It's roadworks.
Yes, but we've been sitting here for ages, so we're not even halfway yet.
That's correct. That is absolutely correct. There's only 11 hours to go, so.
We stand by the fire, your tiny hand in mine, you're 5 feet off the ground, you rest on my shoulder. The stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, in this moment.
Do you know this is voted one of the most dangerous towns in Australia?
No, it's not.
It's nice. Could you live here, Em?
No.
Hey?
No.
Don't be rude.
It's no Bond Junction.
Oh, shit. It is like Westfield. What's wrong with this?
This moment, in this moment, forever.
That's how you know we're a long way from home, Em. And you've seen signs going to turn right to Alice Springs.
Forever be in this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. The night fades like a whispered song as time rushes on. Oh, it won't be long, fading now into a memory, a picture on the wall, a moment frozen not to fall. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be.
We're running 11 minutes late. That 11 minutes is going to be a real problem.
Yeah.
We just decided we're going to drive to Perth.
Yes.
Perth?
Perth.
This one's not on a Harley. See you on the road.
What? Stop
Is that
moving.
your first Instagram post?
That's my Snapchat.
Oh, okay. Right. That's how many Ks we've got from home. Big day. Let's just say that. Big day.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, just with 7-Eleven coffees, the lids aren't that stable. You have to point the camera at me, Emily.
It's on you.
It's called a vlog.
It's on you.
Sorry, Hertz. Your Toyota seats are full of coffee right now, so... Why is this funny? Why is my pain your happiness?
I didn't laugh until you started laughing.
No, you actually just wanted to. You were just trying to find a moment to laugh without...
You can't see anything. It's facing me. Wow. Wow. says Chifley Road.
Why does it end in of? That really doesn't make any sense to me.
But it says Chifley Road.
Car's going really well, as you'd expect from a Toyota. So I've just pulled up on the side of the road, and one of the things that I do when I vlog is that we talk about funny town names. What do you think of that name?
Yeah, it's okay.
No, I can't really comment anyway. That is for my business partner, Andrew. It explains a lot, mate. Welcome home. Emily, you started to regret this road trip already?
No.
Oh, good.
I just don't know.
Because we've been driving like 4 hours and we've got 9 left.
Yeah, and then we have to do that again the next 3 days.
Yeah, like every day. Like for 4 days. We've got to do 4,000 Ks.
Oof.
Do you know we're going to do 1,100 Ks today and not even leave the state? Can I just say, you guys in the States, can you drive 1,100 kilometres in a single state? That's a question, actually.
Probably. Alaska. It's the biggest state in the US.
Oh, welcome to geography. Hey.
Just Google it.
Wow, school fees have paid off. Amazing.
3,862 kilometres.
Where?
Alaska.
Wow. That's hectic.
That's triple.
Yeah, that's hectic. Okay. You win, America, you win.
Look, it says coffee over
We're
there.
at the Narromine Bakery. It's nice. Could you live here, Em?
No.
Hey?
No.
Don't be rude.
It's no
People
Bond
watching
Junction.
this. Oh, shit. That's what I brought up. Okay. So unless there's a Westfield, you won't move there, is that what you're saying?
Because I need my boost juice and my, shops.
Yep. There's shops here. Look,
Yeah.
there's a shop right there. Look,
That sells old people clothes.
Ningen. Ningen, Emily. Ningen. The great Outback. Should we have a rest here, or what do you think?
Nah.
Huh?
No. We
No.
should keep going. Look, we still have 6 hours. We're not even halfway.
So we've done, it was about 1,150 kilometres when we left home. So we're about halfway. No?
Yeah, just.
We've done it, we're about halfway.
We left 8 hours ago.
8 hours ago, yeah.
We're only halfway.
Yeah, but it'll be a quicker 8 hours this time. Because our speed, our average speed's going to be higher.
Creating
Oh, that
perfect
means.
memories, yeah.
Yeah.
We hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way.
goats, Emily. So we're just on the road between Cockburn and Wilcannia, and we're saying g'day to all the goats and emus. We've seen lots of emus too, Emily.
Yeah.
Just letting you know, if you smash this one, I'll cover.
You already paid.
Not paid for me.
Well then,
They
you
don't-
smashed it.
I don't cover 2-year-olds.
But you're not meant to let me drive anyway, so that's on you.
You stole the keys.
But I didn't.
Because of this day and age we're in, like, I can't reprimand you because it's illegal.
Yeah, exactly.
Everything's child abuse.
Yeah.
So, isn't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's horrible. Oh my god, its head. Look, there's another one.
Oh, maybe it was his wife. Hey?
That's so sad.
So, fuck, oh, the whole group of them, the whole family's here. Fucking hurry up!
That's pretty cool. Wow.
That's how far we've got to go. Anyway, Emily's boyfriend's in the back of this truck. So we're just going to go and meet him at the, I don't know, Dubbo prison.
It's the same one.
It is?
It's the same dude driving it.
We've got no accommodation booked, do we, Em?
No.
So, 5:30, we should be okay. It's a Tuesday night. I don't think it's going to be going off too hard in Broken Hill tonight, so we should be pretty good. And if not, as you said, what are we going to do?
Keep driving.
Wow. You've got a bit of your dad in ya. Hey?
Yeah.
Keep driving, love it. Look at the sun rays going through. I don't know if you can see there's so much shit on the windscreen, but you can see the sun rays coming through those clouds. So pretty Broken Hill, very barren out here. We nearly just wiped out about 4 emus.
Baby emus.
Baby emus, yeah. They were the uneducated emus. They have not been taught road safety. 3 of them nearly lost their lives. Anyway, it didn't happen. So that's good. Okay, we're at the Broken Hill sign. We've got to do all the mandatory signs, Emily.
This isn't mandatory.
Isn't it lovely just bonding?
Hmm.
Hey? Yeah? You'll look back on this in years to come, you'll be grateful.
Yeah.
Good morning.
You should put the camera on you.
Why? You ready for it?
Yeah.
Alright. We're here at Cockburn, Em. What do you think?
It's very dead.
Fly.
Yes, you did.
I didn't go to the fly
welcomed it.
and say, do you want to come in?
Ugh.
And it was built by a family and donated. I would like to know how much time that family's got on their hands, but anyway. Just on first thoughts,
I don't like it here.
So anyway, what's wrong with this motel? I know no one's staying here. So you couldn't live here?
No.
Huh?
I already told you, no, I'm not only living in Sydney. So.
But I think Sejuna's good. I think you'll like it here.
No.
They have schools.
No.
Multiculturalism.
It's called a youth centre. It's not even called a school.
And so what? You still learn stuff.
Mm-hmm.